Okay. Hi, my name's Richard Stokey, and I'm an instructor at Oklahoma State University, Oklahoma City. We started using uCertify uh, back around 2016, and at the time we were still a 2-year technical school. This year we started with 4-year degrees also. And we were using D2L as our LMS platform. uCertify integrated with that very well. And when we switched to Canvas, that transition was smooth also. And I've really liked the way that it interfaces with our LMS system and the courses. Create a course in uCertify, set up any of the exams or quizzes you want to use, and then import all that information into your LMS system. It's been really good. I know I used the uCertify material for A plus, Network plus, Security plus, and students have enjoyed using it as well. Haven't had any issues with performance net. There's been 2 or 3 instances where there was a bug with a lab. And the nice thing about uCertify, if it's me submitting a help desk ticket or the student, they're always very quick to respond and to get the issue resolved, which we like. We again haven't used that but a few times in all those years, but always nice when it gets fixed quickly. The students have enjoyed using uCertify, and they've used, I know a couple of them used some other courses straight from uCertify to prep for a certification exam. Uh, our 2-year program still sticking with it. Obviously, we've got some upper level classes where we use a book manufacturer because that level isn't at uCertify yet, but uCertify is designed to prep for certification exams and not for obtaining a bachelor or advanced degree. Oh man, uh, it was the whole process from the beginning uh, to load and use Certify is so simple and quick. Uh, if when the like IT fundamentals certification was done away with by CompTIA, I just got a hold of rep and said, "Hey, I need the new uh, material for the Tech Plus course, the certification they were coming in." And they added it to my library. And I did this so far before it was actually going to be starting that I got the lessons and all that, but they didn't have quite all the exams and different things made up yet. But all that material was available 6 months before it was going to be needed, which was great. And again, set it up, log in, they put it there, I get into it, create the class section, uh, go through, select, what lessons, flashcards, quizzes, labs, and make custom exams, which is really easy to do. And I've enjoyed that. Classes where I had midterm final, I could create the custom exam, schedule it, and then I'd usually do that before I imported everything into Canvas, our current LMS system. Get it all set up, scheduled in uCertify, and then click a link and have all that material transferred in to Canvas. Really easy to use. I've enjoyed that. Ah, definitely managing time more easily. Uh, when I set it into Canvas, I do direct links for the beginning of each chapter, direct links for quizzes, labs. When the students go in and perform them, their results are automatically transferred to the class in uCertify and Canvas so that the grades appear there. Every now and then, there's a check mark in Canvas, or excuse me, in uCertify where you can only get to the class using the integration. When that's clicked and a student's in uCertify, because they can go through the entire material once they're in uCertify, they're not just restricted to that one thing. If they get to that quiz or lab while they're in uCertify and not using that direct link, then that grade doesn't automatically post to Canvas, which is fine. It doesn't happen much. I think it happened quite a bit more back when we first started using uCertify to make it so the students knew to use the direct links. But when the grades go over, I'm not having to do that. We'll have projects that are assigned outside of uCertify, monitoring them, but it's really helpful that when they do their, test, lab, quiz, that it's brought over into Canvas. My use with uCertify originally was with Microsoft had their Microsoft Technician Associate certifications. And so we used uCertify on those, on, IT fundamentals, network plus, security plus, on those classes. But now, we've lost the Microsoft technology. That's not there anymore. But the Instructor for Linux, project management, and several other courses that are in the other part of our technology department are also using uCertify. And they've been very impressed with how it interfaces and responds.